So you can see it runs pretty much the entire length of the handle. Gives you a little bit of extra cushion, good grip from that paracord. Almost like a little thumb stop up here, make sure your thumb doesn't slip while you're cutting. And whenever you're ready to close, it's as easy as just popping it off. And then there you go. You want to put it back on, quick and easy. Just get yourself set up here. Just a couple of turns. Oops, a little knots here. Make sure you get it all the way down here. And then, however it fits. There you go.